Oh, really? Is that how you feel? Michael Knudsen Jr., how does it feel to be drafted by the 49ers? You're speechless, huh? For real? Oh my gosh. For real? Yeah, you just catch the ball like that with your hand. You just reach for it. Oh, you just gotta go, huh? Just gotta go for it. Hi. What? You want my camera? I can't give you my camera. Hey, Mikey. Oh. Hi. I like your little uniform. Yeah, that's right. Whoa, for real? Anything else? Well. You hear the airplane go by? Okay. We'll say bye-bye. Check you later. Oh, I know what you're doing. Alright, gotta go. Bye.